How about I just do it for free if I'm that fine? We are on the way to brunch, lunch.
It's lunch.
It's my birthday brunch that Jordan's treating me to. She said I should vlog, so that's what I'm vlogging. I'm letting them know. Apparently something is happening that is vlog worthy.
Nothing is really happening. It should just vlog. It's your birthday. Vlog memories.
I mean, I was gonna vlog anyway on like when my maintenance and then my actual birthday.
I don't have time for that, girl. That's a separate video.
So this video is just for this brunch?
Yeah. No, it's just for the day.
Oh,
the brunch and the girls' night. The fuck that means more you cleaning the car. Please, better cut out this. People know you're all of this.
Okay, so we're vlogging for the brunch and the girls' night. Okay, so yeah, we're on the way now. I don't even know where we're going. Probably somewhere on the west side because we're getting on the freeway. Not
the west side. The freeway doesn't only go to the west side. You mean the west side of Ohio?
Yes.
I have not tried for.
Me either.
I want to try it so bad. Is it coming through really? Oh.
Yo, Jordan got money.
Everybody got no money.
She taking me to RH.
You want to eat that long?
Fancy.
Oh no.
They should, the fuck? As expensive as it is. Well, we're at RH. Because Jordan's spoiling. It's so cute in here. Say hi. No, literally. Well, she can save it for next time.
You said what?
So she can save it for next time.
Oh, they cross that.
The person who's supposed to be here, not.
Not. She's trying to somebody applies to the person that ain't here.
I'm just saying. What the fuck is this? Here this shit go. Act out. You have 1 minute to act out the words below without saying anything. Drink if you fail. Keep the card if you make it on time. So I can act it out and still have to drink. Because if y'all don't get the answer, I have to drink. That's some bullshit.
Somehow you're playing.
Yes.
Flying.
Kind of. What do they call it when you fly often?
Fly often?
What kind of club you in?
Mile High Club?
Yes.
That's what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, why do I keep getting? I don't want this one.
Oh, so we just say we don't want it?
I didn't read it yet. That's why. It just said no, and I put it back.
Okay. Whatever.
Should we How do you imagine your... This is not even that deep. How do you imagine your life in 5 years from now?
That is deep.
That's very
like,
deep.
as in it's not nothing crazy.
Risk it or drink it. Send a...
Child, please. Why are you already laughing?
Because that's not apply to me. Oh, wait. No, it didn't.
What is it?
Can you speak?
It says send a long dramatic breakup text to someone you're not dating or drink.
Bobo clan. Boom shakalaka. Do it right now. ASAP.
I'm not dating anybody, so I can choose anyone.
You know who the shit's talking about. Fruit or drink? Have you ever cheated on your partner? My current partner? Or just talking about partner? My current
Well, you don't want to answer. Either one you want to answer.
No.
Whichever. Okay. No specification, just no.
No.
Okay.
Whoever I was thinking about, it's no.
Just
mind my business.
Ooh, I drink my water. Why you always sighing before you read the card?
Bullshit, bro.
I
read it.
Risk it or drink it. Let the group send a risky text to anyone they want or drink.
What's a risky text?
That's what I'm trying to
Like,
figure
what's the
out.
context here?
I don't know.
Risky?
I don't know. What is a risky
I'm
time?
about to Google it. What is for you? So we gotta send a text for you.
Yeah, basically.
Oh, look at this. Hey, tell you your man. I'm not on that type of time. Truth or drink? Have you ever been surprised by someone? Oh, you should have got that card, yeah.
That one is no.
You should have gotten this card. Have you ever been surprised by someone?
Hold on. Remember, I got that one.
Sorry, you're recording it.
I said on my phone.
You ready?
Yes.
Truth or drink? Have you ever been surprised by someone's size? Was it for better or for worse? Worse! Why am I taking a drink?
I'm doing a pass. You're an alcoholic. You know what I was a drink. God damn it.
What?
Why I get this fucking car? Now, why would I, out of all people, get this?
Girl, read the damn card.
It's the one you already read before. So, rescue or drink. Send a Pornhub link to someone and don't respond to the game or drink. Like, what the fuck?
Let's get it together. I'm really stressed out about the game.
I don't even want to play no more.
Risk it or drink it. Send a kiss emoji to the first 5 guys. To the first 5 guys in your DMs are drink.
Hey y'all, good morning. If this is a new vlog, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're not, I don't even know what I'm saying. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I don't know if this is a new vlog. If it is, then yeah, hey guys. If it's not, then we're just gonna keep it rolling. But over the weekend I went to brunch / lunch with my sister. Then we had like a little girls' night, and she did surprise me with some balloons and all the things, and that was fun. That was cute. We had a good time. So I have clips of that. So we might combine it with this, or we might separate them. We'll just have to see what it's given. But right now it is the 29th, which means it's one day before my birthday, and it's also Abby's birthday. So shout out to my girl if she's watching, which she probably is because she always do. Love you down. Okay, happy birthday, boo. I hope you have the best day ever. You know, unfortunately we're not spending it together, but we got 3 more years to the big 30. Okay, we got to get on our Zoom because 30, it's got to be a movie, period. But I'm on my way to my hair appointment. Y'all know the drill. Birthday silk press. I'm getting a haircut. Okay, we getting a bob. We getting a grown woman very much bob. And then at 2 o'clock I have a nail appointment. So I think I might have like an hour, maybe a little bit more than an hour in between the appointments. And in that time I need to go get something to eat. I'm probably not gonna go somewhere that I need to sit down just because I don't know what the wait is gonna be and all the things. Or if I do go somewhere to sit down, it'll be closer to my nail appointment. That way I'm not like fighting for my life trying to get there on time type of vibe. But yeah, the stylist I'm going to for my hair, I haven't been to her since my birthday of 2021, because in 2022 when my appointment rolled around, she had some family stuff to deal with, so she had to cancel all her appointments at the time, and I just ended up doing my own hair. And then after that I tried out a new stylist, and yeah, the whole shebang. And then so I've been to her before, but I haven't been to her in years, so I don't know if she's gonna be cool with me recording, but we'll see. She might be, but we'll see. Or if anything, I'll record with my phone, let her know I'm doing a little TikTok, you know, the vibes. I'm going to get my nails done by, I've been to her before once earlier this year around like Mother's Day, and like when I was gonna go get a fill, one of my nails had broken, and I just ended up taking them all off. And then after that I was doing like jobs where I couldn't have nails, so I just didn't end up going back. But I'm excited to go back to her. Like, she is so talented. She's so young. Like, she is so young and she's on her shit. Like, love that for her. Like, she's so talented, and she makes like day in the life videos of a nail tech on her Instagram, which I love. I feel like they're so insightful, and I hope she continues to make more. And they're looking for new people for their services. But yeah, I'm super excited to be in both of their chairs again. But that's it. That's all. I also probably need a new SD card, but we gonna make it do what it do. Like I said, I'll probably end up recording on my phone anyway, so we'll be all right. Oh, my hair is so good. Oh my god.
Most of the time I'm doing like your mindset, like don't make nobody listen.
I'm not listening to you. You're so unserious.
Nigga said he ain't worried about that nigga.
I know that's right.
Hey y'all, it's 7:36. We're on our way to Dunkin' to get a matcha, and then we're going home to start getting ready for the day. We have hair appointment, nails appointment, all the things, because my birthday's tomorrow.
Can I have a medium iced matcha with almond milk, blueberry, and 1 pump of vanilla bean, please?
It looks like it's made to perfection, so I love that for me.
This is gonna be the fit of the day. We're doing full greens for fragrance. The Valentino Born in Roma green. The purse we're carrying. I'm gonna do these A6s.
About to do my makeup. We're gonna get this face together. I got my matcha, and let's go. I'm actually right on time. I love that for me. Y'all, I almost forgot to do a little outro for y'all. These are my nails, very cute, love them. She did her big one. I'm gonna leave her tagged so y'all can go follow her to get your nails done, okay? I made a couple stops before I came home, but I completely forgot about the video. That's why I almost forgot to do the outro. But thank y'all for spending the day with me, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.